Hi everyone, this is Joseph again. Today we have a really cute Nendoroid with us. It's none other than Akagi, Nendoroid series 391. So previously we had a review of Congo and of course Shimakaze. And today we are going to look at Akagi. And a lot of people will know Akagi because Akagi is one of the quest ship. That means she's a carrier. You see the carrier thingy. Yeah, the landing strip. Yeah, so she's a carrier that you can actually get by doing a quest in the game. So let us just continue with the review, and I shall tell you about what I remember of Akagi as we go along. Similar to the other two, she has a name in kanji over here and a name in English over here, and she is of course a Nendoroid series, so she will have this logo, and she is Nendoroid number 391. And yeah, she does have the Kantai collection logo over here, and you can see her very happy face in the front of the box. And of course, she's made by Good Smile Company. And you can see a sticker, a hologram sticker of her parent company over here. Yeah, the game creator, Kadokawa Games. So yeah, and similar to the other two Nendoroids, you have a warning in the front, directly at the front, which says cute to look at, fun to play with, and great to collect, but this is not a toy. Remember, this is not a toy. So it's for ages 15 years old and above. Because as you can see, she does contain a lot of very small items in there. So you do not want to treat it like a toy for, let's say, your younger siblings. And yeah, let us look at the top. And yeah, if you guys know Akagi, you will know that she is basically a huge resource eater. So often in fan arts you will find her eating rice, like a lot of them. So for this Nendoroid, you will find that she comes with a bucket of rice, and of course a table where she can eat from, and a bowl of rice. And this is the repair bucket, which when you are playing with the game, you'll find that you will use a lot of this repair bucket, so that after she is damaged, she can get back into battle really easily. And so on this corner, you'll see the Kantai collection emblem again, the logo, the Nendoroid series logo, and the name of the sculptor is over here. Yeah, the right side of the box, Akagi herself, and a transparent window, and over here is Akagi, I would say skiing over the water. If you guys really took notice, you will find that Kantai collection girls, their feet, their shoes are actually the hull of the boat, And of course she comes with 2 little airplanes, which I don't know whether they can fly. And the left side of the box, you will see Akagi trying to shoot an arrow, which is what she does in the game whenever she wants to attack the enemy. And over here you will see Akagi dragging along the repair bucket. And yeah, that's quite a cute expression, isn't it? Okay, at the back of the box you will see the usual stuff, similar to the other Nendoroids. You have a normal version Akagi holding an arrow, attacking Akagi, and of course the comical rice eating Akagi over here. And yeah, you will see the Nendoroid logo, her Nendoroid number, and her name, and the sculptor over here, Good Smiles Company's logo over here, and the warnings, the usual warnings. And yeah, I've mentioned this in other reviews and I think I will mention it again. The warnings on the left corner is actually written in English, Chinese, and actually 2 versions of Chinese, the traditional and the simplified Chinese, and which I think that is a really good effort for from the company, because I think they know that the item they are selling actually reach places which don't read Japanese. So even if we want to know what is written over here, some people simply don't have the time to learn Japanese. So I think it's a good effort on the manufacturer to state an additional warning over here. Yeah, on the bottom of the box is actually the water skiing Akagi. So yeah, similarly you have the sculptor's name over here, Nendoroid series, the Nendoroid series logo, the Nendoroid serial number, Akagi Kantai collection over here, and and her kanji name. And yeah, to note that this Nendoroid actually comes with little planes, so I think it will be very fun to unbox her. So let's do just that. So I'm going to just take Shimakaze and Kongo out of the way. With everything out of the way, let us open up Kongo. I have my trusty penknife with me. Yeah. So there's nothing on the flaps. Nothing inside, except that you know it's brown. And this is the unit. This is the clear plastic. So immediately you will be able to see that 3 different planes are being, she comes with 3 different planes. And yeah, so maybe I will give a little description of the planes over here. Yeah, so she does have a lot of things included. and when I say a lot, I mean a lot. Yes, there's a repair bucket, there's a rice bucket, the table, the cushion that she sits on, and two different faces, her shield, which looks like a landing strip, this thing that, yeah, that keeps arrows, and her arrow holding hands, arms. Yeah, in fact, there's 4 pairs of arms, and yeah, I think 2 of the arms are dropping already. Yep, they drop. Why did they drop? Yeah, I might as well as take them apart now. Oh, no wonder. Yeah, so similar to Congo, she has a extra accessories pad that is stuck on the main clear protector, but unfortunately it seems that everything has came loose, so yeah, I should be careful. So let me just open up the main unit. So you can see that the stand is the smaller type, which Shimakaze also use, and which is very unlike the superly huge one that Congo uses. Yeah, and yeah, let's just open it. So after you take out the clear protector, immediately you will see Akagi being carefully wrapped in protective clear plastic, and yeah, she's heavily protected, that's for sure. So let me just open her up. And yeah, the usual places are very well protected. So the lower body has a huge piece of plastic. And of course dress, and And yeah, similar to Congo, she wears a traditional underwear. Yeah, interesting, isn't it? And yeah, so with all the protector out, and this is Akagi. Interesting thing to note is actually this arrowhead thingy over here, no, arrow tail thingy, is stuck on her hand, which I don't know what purpose does it serve. Yep. I don't know what it serves. I don't know. Oh, I think I know. Never. It's supposed to put the shield, I think. In any case, yeah, let me just assemble her up. So this is the usual stand, and apart from the usual stand, actually 3 liter stands are actually given so that I can display the small planes with it. See, 3 of them are actually given. And let me just pick up the planes. Yeah, so this is one of the plane. Yep, so there are 3 of them, 3 different planes, and I think they are really cute. Let me try to zoom it in. Yeah, so these 3 are actually different planes that you can equip Akagi with in the game, and it's really a nice addition to the Nendoroid. Well, thanks to Good Smile Company, we can have some fun with them. And no, I do not really want to drop them. Seriously. No way. I will cry, you know. If they drop down there, I'm not going to find them, I think. So, Akagi. So, if I fix up Akagi, oh, interesting. She has a attachment at her back, so I think we can attach something behind her. Oh, okay. You see this? No. How? Oh, this. So this thing goes to here. Yeah, I have no problem with this. Yeah, so how do I attach her. Will this fit? It actually fits. Okay. This is interesting. Okay, so in her simplest form, this is Akagi right out of the box with maybe her arrow back at the back. And 3 of her planes. Yeah, so it's the simplest form of Akagi right out of the box. Akagi looks more or less like this out of the box. And let me give her a pose. If you look at the second pack, you find that actually you have to assemble her bow, which looks like this. So this is how her bow looks like after being assembled, and this is the hand which accompanies it. So I'm gonna just change her hand a bit. Oh, so she's armless now, and I'm gonna just attach her shield. Yep, so this is Akagi. So this is Akagi with her arrow and her shield. So this is more or less the first configuration. Yeah, the first configuration that you can have. It's more or less a normal Akagi, I would say. Ready to strike. Yeah, so let's try the other configurations, like maybe the Akagi attacking. So in order to use the attacking pose, we need to use this arm, and I will have to move. I have to change the arm, and this is probably why Akagi comes with a lot of arms, because she can do a lot of poses. So these are actually the planes. Oh yeah, so Akagi have this issue also. Like all the other Nendoroids, she's top heavy, so you just give her a light push, she will just topple over easily. So yeah, the planes. Actually, I should be using the other face for her, but I think it's okay. So for now I will just use this face. So this is Akagi attacking with a normal face. Yeah, so this is Akagi attacking with a normal face. And I should change to her attacking face actually, which is this one. And you can actually see that the net doesn't come off. I think it's a great improvement by Good Smell Company. This is attacking Akagi. With 3 planes. She actually comes with a very interesting item, this little bag, which she will only be using when she's skiing over the ocean, which is like this. So I will try to make this pose now. Yeah. Need to take out her hands again and take out the shield, and she will be using her straight hand. And just a word of warning over here, this little piece over here actually bends a lot, so it will be, yeah, I think it will break sooner or later. I think it will break very soon. Yeah, and the attachment on her back comes loose. It came loose already. And I'm supposed to attach this little bag. Okay, everything came loose now. This is quite a struggle, isn't it? Okay, it's in, but the other pieces has fallen off completely. Yeah. So yeah, these are not actually toys, you know. They come apart very, very easily. And the interesting thing is this wave, like thing which I should be putting on her leg. So I have quite a dilemma over here because the stand doesn't really go around her hair very well, and if I put her too low she will fall over anyway. So if I lift her up a bit like this, the wave doesn't stick to her feet. So maybe I will try something like this. Yeah. I think this will do. This actually works, I think. This is somewhat Akagi skiing across the ocean with 3 little airplanes. Yeah. If you look at her feet properly, closely, so if you look at her feet closely, you'll find that her shoe is the shape of the ship's hull. So that is why she can float on the water. Yeah, that is why she can float on the water. Interesting concept, isn't it? And yeah, so while we are so yeah, let's continue. So we have actually 2 poses to go. So let's continue. So up till now, you'll find that we have already used the arrow arm, the arrow shooting arm. We have used the elbow, which gives her a different angle, her bow grabbing arm, and this bow grabbing arm of a different angle, and of course her face, this face which mouth open, with her mouth open, and of course this little arrow grabbing hand. So we still haven't seen things like a bucket, the repair bucket, the rice bucket, we haven't seen them. And I think it's time that we bring them out, or even the table. Yeah, we haven't taken out the table yet. And of course her cushion, which she sits on. So let's bring them out and use them. And let me just clear this, put this aside. So for this pose, I think we are not going to use not even the planes. We are not going to use the wave thing. We are going to use a very special arm which is shaped like this, which she can grab the bucket with. Yeah, it actually doesn't fall off, you see. She can actually grab the bucket with this. So let's do just that. And it's actually a tight fit behind her, you see. And off comes her hand. Okay, so I'm going to just attach the hand like this, and I'm going to just put the quiver up a bit. I think the arrow storage is called a quiver. And oops, the shield came off. I'm going to just put the shield like this, and she can start dragging the bucket like this. I think I have to change the head. Yeah, because this head actually gives a bit more expression. Yeah, so yeah, I think she's a bit shy, because yeah, as I mentioned earlier, Akagi actually used a lot of this repair bucket. Yeah, she's a power guzzler. She eats a lot of resources, she eats a lot of repair bucket, and it costs you a lot just to maintain her. So yeah, she should be somewhat shy about it, I can say. But if you want to bring her into battle, you have to be prepared to prepare a lot of resources for her to eat, and a lot of repair bucket. So with that, let us go to the last pose of the day, and this requires her lower body, yeah, which is a sitting posture. Yep. So I don't think I'll be needing the stand anymore, and I don't think I will need the quiver. I don't think I will need the arm and the shield. I don't even need the lower body. So yeah, in this pose she actually falls over easily because her head is so heavy. Yeah, so this arrow hand actually comes off, and you can put the chopstick hand on it. See? And she'll be eating her chopstick. Eating with her chopstick. And yeah, let us change the face also. This is tough. I couldn't get a proper angle. And she's toppling over left and right. Okay. So this is her rice eating face. So she's quite happy to be eating rice, and I think she's always hungry, so yeah, she really like to eat rice. And of course, in the game she'll be eating resources like fuel and ammunition. So let me just place her, yep, in a better position. Repair bucket over here, and oops, her cushion. So yeah, this is Akagi happily eating her rice with the repair bucket over here. And yeah, we have more or less explored most of her poses, but there is just one additional thing which I found that came with this Nendoroid. It is this thing. If you guys remember, this is actually a joke made by a fan art, I believe. This is actually the wing of this airplane. So the joke is that she is sometimes so hungry that she will start eating the planes. So if I would just change her hand a bit, if I was to place her like this and zoom in a bit, and she will become a nightmare. Why did I say she will become a nightmare? Because she is supposed to be an aircraft carrier, and now she's eating her airplanes. So isn't it terrible? So I would say that this is actually a hidden pose, because you can't find this pose on the box. There wasn't any mention. There wasn't any mention of the how do I use this hand actually. So I will use it like this and maybe scare some airplanes off, because your aircraft carrier is actually eating your fellow airplanes. And yeah, just one more thing. This bucket, I was supposed to, yeah, be able to take out this thing and put the blue color yeah, so if you don't like to put food on the bucket, you can use the blue color attachment that comes with the Nendoroid. Yeah, which I think will also be very interesting. And just to finish up with this unboxing, I'll just put the plane over here to show you that actually Akagi have been eating the planes. So yeah, this is Akagi from Kantai collection, and this is Joseph signing off.